Get ready for some mind-blowing cosmic facts. We're about to dive into what makes Jupiter, our solar system's biggest superstar, truly one of a kind. This gaseous giant is so enormous that comparing it to Earth is like a David and Goliath showdown. In fact, Jupiter packs an incredible 318 times more mass than our home planet. To put this massive scale into perspective, just take a look at Jupiter's Great Red Spot, a raging storm that's been raging for centuries. Here's the jaw-dropping part: it's a whopping bigger than our entire Earth. Jupiter's gigantic stature has an enormous impact on our planet, literally. As the solar system's heavyweight champion, its gravitational pull is so strong that it sends shockwaves all the way to Earth. When Jupiter's influence is at its peak, get ready for some extreme weather: sizzling hot summers, freezing cold winters, and heavier than usual rainfall. The climate patterns we're familiar with, they go into overdrive. But here's the good news: Jupiter's gravitational superhero powers also safeguard our planet. By deflecting space debris like asteroids and comets, it prevents potential cosmic disasters from striking us down. So, in a nutshell, without Jupiter's gravitational shield, Earth would be a much more treacherous place to call home. The cosmic shield theory. Does Jupiter really have our backs against all those asteroids and comets? On one hand, scientists claim it's a game changer. With Jupiter's gravitational might, many space rocks either crash into the gas giant or its moons, while others get deflected entirely. In fact, some experts argue that without this protection, Earth might be uninhabitable. But there's a catch: not everyone buys into this narrative. A few scientists think that Jupiter might actually bring in new dangers from afar, yanking far-off comets closer to our planet with its massive pull. When weighing both effects, it's possible the overall impact of Jupiter's protection is smaller than we think. As research advances, we'll uncover more about the Earth's natural defenses and Jupiter's role in them. But for now, one thing's clear: this giant planet plays a vital part in our cosmic security blanket. But here's the thing: while Jupiter might be our cosmic bodyguard, it could be more like a bully to some other inner planets. NASA warns that Jupiter can actually nudge destructive objects straight towards those smaller worlds. Lucky for us, there's no known life on these planets, so we don't have to worry too much about the devastating effects of Jupiter's gravitational push. Now, let's talk about just how different Jupiter is from our home planet Earth. And trust me, it's a huge difference. With an awe-inspiring diameter of 139,820 kilometers, Jupiter is not only the largest planet in our solar system, but also a behemoth of astronomical proportions. But that's not all that sets Jupiter apart. Its massive size is just the tip of the iceberg. With a diameter of 139,820 kilometers, it's a whopping 10 times bigger than our home planet Earth, which comes in at a relatively tiny 12,742 kilometers in diameter. While Earth boasts diverse landscapes and vast oceans, Jupiter takes a different approach. Its composition is made entirely of different gases, meaning no solid surface to speak of. That puts it firmly in the gas giant category, with a hefty mix of hydrogen and helium making up most of its cosmic bulk. But here's the mind-blowing part: despite being a gas giant, Jupiter actually has an ocean, the largest one in our entire solar system. It's not like the oceans we know on Earth, though, made up of H2O and all that's good. Nope, Jupiter's ocean is a scorching hot sea of liquid metallic hydrogen. I'm sure you're just itching to take a dip. Just kidding, trust me, it's not a swimwear-friendly environment. Now let's dive deeper, or should I say way, way deeper. Jupiter's ocean is a staggering 25,000 miles deep, making it an unfathomable abyss. To put that into perspective, Earth's deepest point in the ocean barely scratches the surface at just 6.8 miles down. This cosmic sea of liquid metallic hydrogen plays a crucial role in understanding how our celestial neighbor might impact our home planet. And here's the fascinating part: this liquid metal hydrogen is an incredible conductor of electric and thermal energy. When combined with Jupiter's mind-boggling day-night cycle, lasting a mere 10 hours, it creates an awe-inspiring effect, effectively turning Jupiter into one colossal power generator. Scientists estimate that Jupiter produces a whopping 10 million amps of electricity, illuminating its poles and giving the planet those mesmerizing glowy features we love to gawk at. Jupiter's electrifying power show is truly out of this world, literally. Its incredible auroras shine brighter and more spectacularly than anything we've ever seen on our own planet. And here's a cool fact: some of that cosmic glow might even reach Earth, making for an exceptionally vibrant night sky. Keep your eyes peeled, you might just catch Jupiter putting on an intergalactic light show. With its enormous size comes another amazing feature: a whopping 79 moons orbiting around it. Just a few years ago, Jupiter held the title for most moons, but Saturn recently dethroned it. Don't let that diminish Jupiter's moon squad, though. These celestial bodies are just as fascinating and unique in their own ways. Get ready to meet Ganymede, Jupiter's gigantic gem and the largest moon in our entire solar system, even bigger than the planet Mercury. This astronomical anomaly stretches an impressive 5,268 kilometers across, making it roughly a third the size of Earth. To put that massive scale into perspective, Ganymede is actually around 26% larger than our neighboring planet Mercury, which we know as a full-fledged planet. But here's the most mind-blowing part: Ganymede isn't just any ordinary moon, it has its own magnetic field, a feature typically reserved for planets. This planetary-sized moon truly lives up to being Jupiter's largest and most extraordinary satellite. While Ganymede takes center stage as Jupiter's largest moon, it's not the only superstar in our solar system's gas giants entourage. Meet Europa and Io, the other two big players among Jupiter's 79 confirmed moons. A staggering number that might even be just the tip of the iceberg, with potentially many more waiting to be discovered. But why aren't we more familiar with these celestial neighbors, or Jupiter itself for that matter? The truth is, our understanding of the Jovian system has some catching up to do. What's in store for future exploration, and how will we uncover the secrets hidden beneath Europa's icy crust, Io's volcanic surface, or even within the majestic planet itself? As scientists continue pushing the boundaries of space travel, one thing's certain: Jupiter's moons are ready for their close-up. You're living in the present as we speak, literally. That's because the Juno space probe is currently making history by orbiting Jupiter and delivering jaw-dropping visuals every single day. Launched back in August 2011, Juno's epic journey finally reached its closest point to Jupiter in 2013, marking the beginning of a decade-long adventure that's been fueling our understanding of this gas giant like never before. Originally set for a 7-year mission, with the spacecraft intentionally plunging into Jupiter's atmosphere after sharing its findings, Juno has already exceeded expectations by nearly 3 years and counting. So what does the future hold? Buckle up, once Juno's incredible journey comes to an end, we're in for a treasure trove of groundbreaking discoveries about our solar system's largest planet. Let's dive back into history books, but not just any history books, the cosmic kind. Juno might be breaking records today, but way back in 1995, another trailblazer made its mark on Jupiter. The nuclear-powered Galileo spacecraft, launched from Earth in 1989, this pioneering probe took 6 long years to reach Jupiter's orbit, making it the first ever to successfully orbit our largest planet. Before that, it was all planning and prep work. And what did Galileo achieve? It revolutionized our knowledge of Jupiter, leaving us with a treasure trove of scientific discoveries that still inspire space enthusiasts today. So, what's next for Jupiter's exploration? The question on everyone's mind. Stay tuned because the future of space travel is looking brighter than ever. Get ready for a cosmic adventure because the European Space Agency, ESA, has something huge in store, literally. In 2022, they're launching the Jupiter Icy Moons Explorer, or JAI for short. This spacecraft is going to make history by performing flybys around Ganymede, Callisto, and Europa, Jupiter's largest moons, before starting its orbit around Ganymede, the biggest moon in our solar system. Buckle up because JAI will uncover some mind-blowing secrets along the way. As the first satellite to orbit another planet's moon, it'll be on a mission to explore ocean layers and subsurface water reservoirs, map out surface features and geological structures, study icy crusts, and dive into the magnetic fields of these moons. But that's not all. JAI will also investigate the chemistry essential for life on Europa, focusing on organic molecules and surface formations. The future of space travel is taking shape, and we can't wait to see what JAI discovers. The cosmic action isn't over yet. NASA is gearing up to send another exciting mission, the Europa Clipper. Slated to launch in 2023, this spacecraft will get incredibly close to Jupiter and its moon Europa, making precise flybys that'll help us better understand whether Europa could support life. The main focus: studying the habitability of this fascinating moon. That's all for today's video. Thanks for joining us on this intergalactic journey. If you're as stoked about space exploration as we are, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more mind-blowing videos that'll keep you starstruck. Until next time, when we blast off into